someday and I won't have to work no more. I've had hard jobs every town or city I go. I work hard in Chicago and Mississippi too. Work hard in Chicago and Mississippi too. Can't find nothing easy to make big money like you.
Good job.
Got corns in my hands and calluses on my
Who's so strong?
Who's Mr. Strong? Who's so
Got
strong?
corns in my hands and
Mr.
calluses on my
Strong.
feet. Work so doggone hard I can't even eat or sleep. I work hard all the summer and the same way in the fall. Work hard all the summer, the same way in the fall. Go to church on Sunday, I'm dressed in overall. Boogie a while. Every day you're Sunday, you dressed up all